Today is Throwback Thursday, so I'm doing my Wonder Woman palette from Hot Topic. And this is what it looks like. Pretty big palette. That's what it looks like in the back. And they're always on sale if you find it at Hot Topic. They're always on sale. This one says $14.90, and I'm sure I got it cheaper than that. 1 through 13. 7, 3, 7, 11. 7, 3, 11. 2 more. 5, 10. So this is the color story. I wanted to leave what is in this palette is powdery. So that is what it looks like. The formula is okay. Powdery, yes, especially the Fierce one, the sparkly pink one, it is powdery in the pan. These are okay, but still powdery. So we got Fierce, we have Hunter, Fighter, Warrior, Mighty, Strength. No, I didn't get Hunter. That's my favorite color right here, Hunter, and I didn't get it. So we got Confident, blue green, like brownish red, brown color, and a pink color. I'm gonna go with this color right here, which is Fighter. Very powdery when you use a brush for sure. I already primed my eyes, so it's gonna go all over the crease area. But it is pigmented to where I like it. Like, it's not too pigmented, but it's perfect pigmentation for my eyes. Going in with Warrior, this dark blue, like navy blue. Going in with the outer portion of the eyelid. I'm gonna go in with this color, Mighty. And go in the inner portion of the crease. Going in with this pink shimmer color, Fierce. A lot of fallout. You have to like constantly tap your brush, and then just going in with the rest of the lid for this color. Okay, going in with this green color, Confident. Underneath the lower lash line. So this is the finished look. It is extremely powdery. You should see my desk, but it's what it looks like after I applied my makeup on, and I'm like, wow. But all in all, it is a good palette. It does, lack the vibrant of the colors, but it's pretty nice. To me, like, a lot of Hot Topic palettes are like for little kids type thing, because it's not as pigmented as when you applied it, but it's pretty nice. So that is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.